Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Toyota Tundra 2017 Desert Edition 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it? 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it's true dual straight pipe all the way back on each side, and 2 quad tips. Angle cut right there, 3.5 inch on each side, and right there. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Toyota Tundra? Oh, you like it better? Okay. I like it. It sounds really good. Straight pipe, true dual. Your sound decibels? Wow, 117. Let you guys hear it on the other side too. Why not? Again? That sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and back it up. Perfect? Yeah. Okay. Desert Runner, that's what I call them. Carbon fiber fenders, gas cap. Just cool look. I like it. That's perfect. Man, that sounds so good. Toyota Tundra. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra TRD, fully straight pipe, true dual. Hope you guys like it, with quad tips out the back.